Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update JMeter scripts for load testing data pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening JMeter on your computer. Create a new test plan to begin the process. Right-click on the test plan and select Add. Next, choose Threads and then Thread Group. In the thread, adjust the ramp-up period to control how quickly users are added. Set the loop count to define how many times the test will run. Now, add a sampler to your thread group. Right-click on the thread group and select Add, then Sampler, and choose the appropriate sampler for your data pipeline, such as HTTP request. In the sampler settings, input the URL or endpoint for your data pipeline. Configure request methods, headers, and parameters as needed for your specific use case. To monitor the response, add a listener to your test. Right-click on the thread group, hover over Add, select Listener, and choose options like View Results Tree or Summary Report. Next, tailor the test by adding assertions to validate. Right-click on the sampler you added, then select Add, and choose Assertions, followed by Response Assertion. Specify the expected values in the assertion settings to ensure that your test meets the required criteria. After configuring your test plan, save it to avoid any potential loss of your work. Ensure all configurations are correctly set by double-checking each component in your test plan. Finally, run your test by clicking on the green Start button at the top of the JMeter interface. Monitor the results and the listeners you added to observe the performance of your data pipeline under load. Analyze the data collected from your test to identify any bottlenecks or issues. Use this analysis to refine your JMeter scripts and optimize your load testing for better performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.